This is the Fossil backpack. I have this backpack with me this weekend to do some errands and to do some visiting. It has 2 long straps on the back. You can double together or wear them separately on each shoulder. It also has a short quick grab handle. I'll explain to you about this bag. It is just a beautiful bag. It has a quick entry zipper on the side. It's a little side pocket that it has. I have placed a tassel on there and a keychain that says love. This is a pull tab that comes with the bag from Fossil. And in the bag, in the zipper compartment, I just have my mask that I put in there for quick and easy access. Let's take a look and see what's inside. It is a magnetic closure, just a brass magnetic closure that's inside. It has 2 additional snaps on either side of the bag that you can stretch and open up the bag. Beautiful soft lining inside with a 1 big zipper located at the back of the bag and 2 short pockets at the front. Start with the back pocket. Inside, I have some mom notes just in case I need to jot anything down. Pack of candy. I also have just a quick pen for a quick note. It's all in the back. I always have hair clips with me. They go with me wherever I go. I have a pencil case that I carry with me that I usually use for work or for journaling. It comes in all my bags. My sunglasses from Vogue. They always come with me in every bag. I also have this cute little bag that I got from Ipsy. Ipsy is a subscription that is monthly. It comes to you by mail, and it has in there several travel size and full size products that you're able to test. It is fairly inexpensive. I will put the link below, but it is such great quality. In my makeup bag today, I have a Neutrogena wipe, eyeliner. I have Born Lovely perfume. It's a roll-on. Hairspray. This little gadget I just love. I picked this up at Ulta Beauty, one of our many trips across the border. It is a perfume holder. You unscrew the bottom, spray your everyday perfume in the nozzle in the top, replace the bottom. When you flip it around, take the lid off, and your perfume that you wear every day is always with you. That's handy dandy. It was fairly inexpensive, about $10 or so. I also have foundation. I carry makeup sponge with me to apply. I also have EOS lip balm. I have a tinted chapstick as well. A lace water lipstick. I also have with me an eyeliner, mascara, another eyeliner. That is the bag for that. This is a wallet that comes with the bag. A beautiful Fossil embossed. Rounded front, opens like that, and it has a zipper change compartment in the back. I always carry Kleenex with me, no matter where we go. Hand cream. The inner pockets have been emptied. Those are the inner pockets there. You've probably seen this in my previous videos as a makeup bag. I changed this out and now it is an electronic bag. I carry with me a charger and 2 cords, one for my headphones and one for my phone. Change purse. We do not have dollar bills in Canada. We have loonies and toonies, so they get quite heavy, so we carry those separately. And last but not least, on the bottom of the bag is my Bath & Body Works sanitizer. There you have it, guys. There's the bag. It is an amazing bag. If you can get your hands on this bag, I highly recommend it. It is very comfortable. It holds so much stuff. Gets you through your weekend, especially if you have children. You can throw additional items in there as well. I just love it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you in my next video as well.